The L terminal on a security control panel is rarely used in standard residential installations and is typically left unwired. Most residential systems do not require the L terminal because it is designed for specialized interfaces like supervisory or auxiliary alarm signaling and certain panel-specific alert lights. If your panel documentation shows an L terminal, first identify whether it is labeled as loop, lamp, or line based on the manufacturer sheet, because the exact function varies by model. For panels that use the L terminal for an alert lamp, the connection will be low voltage and polarity sensitive, so confirm voltage and polarity before wiring to avoid damaging the panel or the lamp. When a monitoring or signaling device needs supervisory detection, you may see the L terminal employed with a resistor or end-of-line device to report tamper or fault status, and in that case, follow the manufacturer specified resistor value and wiring diagram exactly. If you are unsure, test continuity with the panel powered down and consult the panel wiring diagram rather than guessing at connections, since wiring the wrong terminal can create false alarms or disable monitoring. For most homeowners, the simplest approach is to leave the L terminal unused unless a clear requirement exists, like an add-on alert light or a documented supervisory loop. Common issues include homeowners connecting the wrong device and causing nuisance alarms, which you avoid by matching the device type and polarity to the panel documentation and testing before restoring full operation. Another frequent problem is assuming every terminal is active, which leads to wasted effort. Check the manual and label unused terminals with permanent marker or tape so future technicians do not attempt unnecessary connections. A third concern is using improper resistor values on supervisory loops, which can cause the panel to show tamper or fault conditions. So always use the exact resistor value specified by the manufacturer, or have a qualified installer fit the component. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing projects and responses. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world experience and practical advice about terminals like the L terminal and other specialized system details.